Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are just starting out with your Shopify store and wondering how the heck do I get more traffic and sales, you are in the right place. Today I will be sharing Shopify marketing tips and tricks for beginners that are super easy to apply but can make a big difference. Let's get into it. Before we even talk about ads or SEO, your product pages need to be solid. Use high quality images, at least 3 to 5 angles. Write clear and benefit driven descriptions. Add social proof like reviews or testimonials. Include a strong call to action like buy now or limited stock. If your product pages aren't converting, no amount or traffic will help. Yes, Shopify is SEO friendly, but only if you use it properly. Use keywords in your product titles and meta description. Go to your products tab, then select a product like that. And title here, description. Customize your URL to be short and readable. Add all text to all your images. Create a blog around your niche. This builds trust and brings in organic traffic. SEO won't get you results overnight, but it's free and builds long-term value. If you have got a bit of a budget, paid ads can speed up your growth. Start with Facebook Ads Manager, not boosted posts. Create custom audience from your website visitors, your Shopify's Facebook pixels. Run A and B tests with different creatives and headlines. Don't spend more than $10 to $20 per day starting out. And remember, ads bring people in, but your site needs to convert them. Email is still one of the most effective tools. Use apps like Klaviyo to set up abundant cart emails. Send thank you emails after purchase. Offer exclusive discounts on to your email list. Also use a pop-up or sticky bar to collect emails from visitors. People trust people more than brands. Reach out to micro influencers in your niche, like 1K to 20K followers. Offer free products in exchange for a shout out or review. Encourage your customers to tag you and use branded hashtag, then showcase that user generated content on your site and socials. There are some must-have marketing apps for beginners. Plugin SEO. For quick SEO fixes, just go to Shopify online store app section, then click app and sales settings, then click Shopify app store and search for plugin SEO. Increase your store's organic traffic by mastering SEO with plugin SEO. It supports English, works with Google, Bing, Langify, Search Console, categories, SEO. Pricing section like small store, 29 29 and 99 cents, like that. Medium, $50 around per month, and large store, $100 around. Freebie or pop-up convert. Search for freebie or pop-up convert. For email pop-ups, it's free version, 1000 unique visitors per month, 50 subscribers per month, pop-ups, smart bars, Shopify integrations. In Pro plan, unlimited visitors per month, unlimited pop-ups, unlimited smart bars, unlimited emails, and social pop-ups. Then search for looks. For collecting and displaying review, it's start from $12.99 per month. Then upsell. Search for upsell. To increase average, order below. Just don't install too many. Too many apps can slow down your site. Just pick one app and follow the instruction. Short form video is king of organic reach right now. Post behind the scenes, unboxing, or how to use your product. Use trending audio and hashtag. Keep it short, fun, and authentic. Don't worry if you are not a pro at editing, just be real. Most people won't buy the first time they visit your store. Use Shopify's integration with Facebook Pixel and Google Ads to retarget visitors who added to cart but didn't buy. Show ads to people who viewed your site in the last 7 days. It's cheaper to convert someone familiar than a total stranger. Finally, track over everything. Use Shopify dashboard plus Google Analytics. Watch what products get the most traffic and best conversion rates. Double down on what's working and tweak or kill what isn't. Marketing isn't one size fits all. It's all about testing and adjusting. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and comment below which of these tips you are going to try first. And if you want a full Shopify marketing strategy for your niche, let me know in the comments. Until next time, happy selling. Thanks for watching.